In the petrochemical industry, proper installation of instruments is essential for ensuring safety, accuracy, and efficiency. General requirements: instruments should be placed for easy access and operation, avoiding areas with high temperatures or vibrations. Protective measures are necessary, especially for instruments exposed to harsh weather or hazardous environments. Instrument connections: the materials and pressure ratings of instrument connectors must meet or exceed those of the process systems. Flanges and gaskets must be carefully selected to handle specific pressures and media types. Pressure and temperature measurements: static pressure measurements need proper isolation valves and corrosion protection. Temperature instruments require proper insertion depth to ensure accuracy. Flow and pressure measurements: for accurate readings, ensure flow meters are installed in fully charged pipes with appropriate upstream and downstream sections. Pressure gauges should avoid vortex-prone areas and use cooling coils for high-temperature media. Safety and maintenance: regular inspections, calibration, and accessibility for maintenance are crucial for continuous operation.